Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll on Facebook Messenger. Polls are a great way to gather opinions from your friends or groups quickly, whether it's for making plans, choosing a movie, or deciding on anything else. So let's get started. First, open up the Messenger app on your phone. To create a poll, you will need to go to a group chat. Select the group chat from your conversations list. Once you are in the chat, look for the plus icon at the left side of the screen. Once you find it, tap on it. From these options, select polls. And now you will see a screen where you can enter the question or topic for your poll. Type in whatever you would like to ask your friends. And then add the different options for your poll. To add more options, simply tap Add Option at the bottom of the list and type in the new choice. And once you are happy with your question and options, tap on Create Poll. The poll will now be visible to everyone in the group and they can start voting right away. And that's it. Now you know how to create a poll in Messenger. It's a simple way to make decisions with friends or organize events. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.